Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We have a fantastic set of security cameras. I have one of them mounted right here on the wall. We're gonna tell you all about them and show you some actual footage, the use, and give you all the information you need. And stick around for the end of the video. We've got even more where we show you the WUUK and tell you all the details. Now, I love that this has a smart notification system. It'll do a little pop-up on your phone, tell you what's going on. And it's got advanced infrared at night. So we'll go ahead and show you an overlay of how crystal clear this IR is on a fantastic device. It's also waterproof, so you can put it and you can survey the outdoors. This is my back lanai. Doesn't get too wet out here, but I like the fact that it is waterproof and I don't have to worry about it. Also, it's got a 9600 mAh battery, the latest lithium technology. That's the same stuff running your electric cars. That's the same stuff powering houses. This is the latest technology, which makes it fantastic. It's got motion detection where I can get a notification on my phone if there's notification in the zone in front of it. And of course, it's got two-way talk. So I can literally see someone outside, it can see someone outside, notify me, and I can ask them to leave. This is great for me whenever I go on vacation. I keep an eye on the cats because they're out here on the lanai. That's super cool. And that two-way talk is so sweet. It's got the built-in storage in the base, okay? So it's got a separate base that goes ahead and it stores the information for you. You're not having to deal with exorbitant monthly problems with the cloud storage. You can do it all locally and it's stored in your house at the hub. That is super safe and secure. Also, unlike a lot of other devices, you can share it with various family members. That's a huge advantage with this, that I can share my video footage. If Amy wants to check on her cats, I want to check on them, whatever it may be, we can both do it from our own smart devices. And yeah, it works with all the latest Android and all the latest Apple devices. It's got smart notification and a dedicated tech support line with people who are fluent in English, many native speakers, things of the sort, and that is awesome as well. Now the app itself is pretty cool. The resolution on this is second to none and the IR is great. It's got the LED light as well. So if you're looking for something that ties in with your Google Assistant, something that ties in with your Echo device, something that just works well, this is it. This does include this particular package includes the two cameras, the hub, everything you need to mount it just about anywhere, the mounting screws, the instructions, everything to charge it, etc., etc. We'll go over that in the unbox. So folks, if your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is yes. If your question is it high quality? Is it built to last? Is it durable and waterproof and you don't have to worry about if it drops, anything like that? Well, guess what? This is fantastic. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and check it out. You will not be disappointed. I appreciate you and goodbye, my friends. Stick around for that up-close portion of the video. Folks, I also want to point out that the playback is super simple in terms of being able to go back to old footage. A lot of stuff you really can't go back very easily. I also like that there's a voice filter that allows you to use the two-way talk and filter your voice. That's pretty awesome. And then, of course, on top of that, it is easy to install. Just go ahead, connect your hub, press that sync button, install it, install the app, connect them. It's a matter of a few seconds. So that's a really nice advantage as well. All right, folks. Now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. These are wireless cams. It's the Pro Kit for easy home security. It's a solution for everyone. It's supported by iOS and Android, so pretty much all the phones, the big phones, no problem. No fee to use. No monthly FEE. It's battery-powered security cameras with that powerful station right there. You're gonna love it. So what are some of the coolest aspects of this? Why is it such an exciting device? Well, it's got this 9600 mAh battery. It's a high capacity battery that is enormous, really. I've got a friend who says his lasted him 180 days, a half a year, without needing a recharge. And you can connect it to the solar panel. That's super awesome. It's waterproof, water resistant, that advanced IR night vision. the motion detection, the two-way talk, the built-in storage. I love that, right in the base. If somebody grabs the camera and runs away, you still got that storage in the base. You don't have to worry about the cloud, all that stuff. You share it with your family, smart notification, and dedicated TECH tech support. Look at how crystal clear that is, and have multiple cams throughout the house, tied to your base, tied to your front door, Andy's doorbell, etc. So each one with their charge and will last and last and last. The support, adding devices has never been easier, folks. And again, works perfectly with your Android devices. You got the wireless cam times 2, the base station, the Type-C cable, the power adapter to the Ethernet cable, the mounting bracket, the warning sticker, the mounting screws, and of course the installation guide, all included. That is incredible, an incredible, fantastical, elastical deal. So, let me back that camera up for you. Back it up. Ooh, look how nicely packed that is. This is like opening a Christmas gift, folks. So much fun. Beautiful, nice packaging. It's quick start cam with the Pro Kit. Evelyn, I'm your customer service rep. Evelyn's gonna help you. 24/7, you got the sticker. This is to help you mount it. And of course that quick start guide. And you can go get it in your app, your app store. Works with your Google Assistant and your Echo device. How cool is that? That's right. So everything you need to know with color diagrams. This is the bee's knees. It's the cat's pajamas. Also really lightweight hub. You plug it right in. There's your USB, there's your power, and your sync button to sync it in. Oh, wow. I can't tell you. This is such a nice, this is like a piano white finish. A really nice finish here. You can see the LED light, the IR, the big lens, the microphone for two-way talk. That is so nice, folks. And you got dual cameras. You got 2 of them in this particular package. Obviously, you know, the one you get, pick the one you need for your household. All right, so here's the plug for the station, but it's battery powered right here, and you can mount this on the wall just about anywhere. You've got your Ethernet cable, you've got your plug to plug her in, and this is the bee's knees and the cat's pajamas. Now, like I said, there's 2 of these included in the kit. Get the kit that's best for you. They have a few different varieties. Check out all the stuff that this company is selling because they are a high-class, classy brand. Got the speaker built in, the camera, the IR, everything you need. Adjust it. The PIR, the TOP to the DOG. It's the top dog, folks. All right, if you're looking for something awesome, spectacular, unquestionably neat, fantastic, and awesome, well, guess what, folks? These guys have you covered. Let me go move all this out of the way. Move it out, folks. You gotta see these super fresh cameras. Stylish, sophisticated, and chic. I can't say enough about the brand, the battery life, the rechargeability. There's no battery memory to where you don't have to worry about it not taking a full charge. These are the latest in lithium technology. So easy to hook up to, folks. All right, if you're looking for something that's awesome, look no further. I appreciate you. You're great. If your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is absolutely. This is cool. Goodbye, my friends.